Hey guys, we're doing Upper Deck Supreme Hardcourt random player break. It's 12:30, 19 AM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're on 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oops. Players. Going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Random is complete. Players are Ashley Peters, Levine, Matty Wiggins, Ruben LeBron, Josh Keith, DeMarcus, Eugene Yu, Markel Fultz, Carlos with Thon and Elgin Baylor, Josh Keith, Ben Simmons, Brendan Porzingis, Jamie Curry, Matus, Larry Bird, Josh Keith, Kevin Love, Marcus Alot, Hakeem, Matus, Vince Carter, Mendoza, Dr. J, Benny, Michael Jordan, Brendan Alonzo and Dirk, Daniel Thorpe, Magic Johnson, Mr. Mendoza, George Gervin, Shane Murphy, Penny Hardaway, Chris Stewart, Dennis Rodman, Clyde with Cat, Mr. Lee with Clyde, Drexler, Albie with Alan Iverson, Tony Jackson, Jamal Murray, and Corey Leslie, Jerry West.